face made for TV.
I know. Just take our place.
Okay.
You guys are so much fun.
Thank you.
We try to be. We're all getting ready for the big meal.
Yes.
Some of us skip the gym, which is fine, right?
Yeah.
Or not. Peloton instructor, host of the brand new podcast, Move for Life, Coach Matt Wilpers is here to share his tips and tricks for staying consistent with you. Not you looking serious.
I know
we got to talk about health.
All right, can we now stand next to each other like we like each other?
There we go.
Sheesh.
It was like an 80s mall photo that when it first came out.
Coach, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great. Do you
Y'all
guys
look
know
amazing.
each other?
We do now.
Okay. Yeah.
We know mutual people.
He has questions about the proper running sneakers.
Oh, I know.
We'll get to it later.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know you from training. You helped train me for my half marathon and all the other things, but you've entered an entirely new realm of
podcasting. Yeah.
Excuse you, sir. Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's called Move for Life. It's with Peloton. And our goal is to talk about sort of where fitness meets health and wellness, meets performance training, and the science behind what we're doing, so that if we understand what we're doing, well, maybe we'll want to do it a little bit more.
I find just getting off the couch is the most important thing. Once you get off the couch, you're there. You're in the car. You're ready to go. Or you're walking down the street to the gym.
Right.
You're there. You might as well just go.
Right.
We always say at Peloton, the hardest part is just getting started.
Just get off the couch.
Right. And then once you're there,
You're there. You're stuck.
make it worth your money.
Yeah.
Like lift the heavy thing and then put it back down. Okay, so we're entering the holiday season.
Yes.
And folks are eating things that they're not used to eating, or maybe they're eating more. My husband decides every Wednesday he fasts. Whatever. He's
Hey, that's awesome.
Yeah, but he's
You know
ripped.
what's unencouraged.
He is ripped.
He fasts because he knows that he is going to, eat a lot of things that he's not normally used to eating. But what do we say to folks who are like, I don't have it in me to do a 90-minute or a half an hour or whatever thing?
Well, there's a pattern, right? And the pattern is during the holiday season, we let ourselves go, right? And then the end of the year comes and New Year's comes and we have New Year's resolutions. Well, we let ourselves go, so we've come back to basically the same fitness level we were at last year. And now we have New Year's resolutions and we want to climb this mountain to get back into the habit of training and get our fitness back. Now, what if I said, it doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't have to be that painful, right? What if we just did some movement during the holiday season so that we didn't have to climb a mountain? Maybe we could climb a small hill, right?
Yeah.
And then also we come back and we have a better trajectory for where our fitness could go next year. Because if we start off with the same base, we can only get so far within that next year. But if you have a better base, you can get even better health and wellness and fitness.
I didn't hear a word you just said. I'm focusing on your cheekbones. They're really impressive.
I was just going to say, Matt, I don't know what you're doing,
greatest
but I've
cheekbones.
never
It's
seen
incredible.
him
They're like Cher.
so laser focused.
Let's work out. Let's pump it.
Let's do some workout that
I brought my
folks
workout
can
shoes.
do.
Are we going to do it?
You have your workout shoes on?
I'm taking my pumps off.
Okay.
Okay?
We're going to do some stretching.
Yes.
I love that's my
So
best.
let's talk about the benefits of stretching first. Stretching is like the gateway to movement, okay?
Oh, yeah, I
if
like
we
that.
stretch, we have restore mobility. We're gonna want to move a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah.
Number two, it's great for pain relief. A lot of our pain is caused by tightness, so it's great for pain relief.
Cool.
And also calms you down. And last but not least, we can really think about injury prevention with stretching.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you 3 stretches.
Okay.
These are 3 just general stretches. There's lots of stretches. First, we're gonna focus on hamstrings
I like that one.
and lower back, because we get a little lower back pain. So take your thumbs right here, push your hips back, and come on down.
That hurt. Who cracked?
I know.
Him. That was
Did you
not me.
crack?
That was probably
I am
him.
42. So
Got a great crack. Are you 42, really?
I'm 42.
He looks
Fantastic.
like he doesn't even old enough to drink.
I'm very
do what I
impressed.
say.
Yes.
Crack your back.
Stretch down, just hold this. And when you do a static stretch, you want to hold it for at least 30 seconds.
Is that right?
See, the people don't do that. They don't do it long enough,
Yeah,
right?
you gotta do it long enough. There's static stretching, which is after a workout,
Okay.
and dynamic, which is before. Okay,
Right.
so this is part 1.
Yeah.
So this is a nice stretch for your hamstrings and lower back.
Oh, I love this.
And so that's stretch number 1.
What are your thoughts on celery juice?
Really?
Never mind. We'll keep going.
Celery juice?
Yeah.
Next one is
regular.
great during commercial breaks, okay? It's called the couch stretch.
Oh.
And it's great for your quads and your hip flexors. If you're sitting all day, these things can get really tight, and so you walk around like this all day, right?
Yeah,
So let's do a couch stretch. So imagine this is the edge of your couch.
Yeah. This might be too high for me, but I will modify.
Put this on put your foot on the edge of your couch, and try to get your knee as close to the couch as possible.
Like I'm doing Kama
I'm going to
Sutra.
modify because it's too tall for me.
Yeah. Try to get that knee as close to the couch as you can, and
I'm failing miserably.
stand up, sit up like this. Try to keep your back nice and flat like this, okay?
Oh,
And
God, this is so painful.
As you get better and better, you're gonna be able to get that knee closer and closer, and then you can lift your arm up like this, and really get a wonderful
Oh,
stretch
that's a good
here.
one.
And the great thing is you need to hold this for a good amount of time, like
Ooh.
at least 30 seconds to 2 minutes.
It is a good commercial stretch.
Right?
Yeah.
And so you can do this for commercials, just do the stretch. And
That's
I'm
right.
telling you, you're going to feel a lot better. All right?
Okay.
Let's do the
last
let's do the
one.
finale.
Okay, the grand finale is
We stay.
called 90-90 for your
I do this one every day. I love
for your
this.
hips. Okay, we're gonna start with baby 90-90s.
You know
and then
what,
we're gonna
Ben? You knew the history of the Thanksgiving Day
I don't
parade.
know.
I'm getting the gold star for this
You
one.
do baby 90-90.
These are baby 90-90s, all right? So just go, put your hands back, just loosen up your hips like this.
Oh, that's so good.
Right? Because we're forming 90-degree angles on either side, roughly.
I'm like
Ben, you look
acute.
like a spider.
I'm less 90,
And
more acute.
Let's do some real 90-90s. So now we're gonna do hands up like this, and we're gonna go side.
Oh, snap into a Slim Jim. Yep, yep.
Oh, and it gets all the creaks and cracks out of your hips.
Who's
Feels
cracking?
Great, right? All right, so you're killing this.
I
Ben, what's going on over here,
I'm
man?
feeling really good.
avert your eyes, Matt. Just avert your eyes.
This is so hard. You know why? Because when you say you like do it, like I stretch, but I do it for like 3 seconds, and then you move on because like, oh, I did it, I'm
also-
fine.
yeah.
But you have to spend time.
You gotta spend
stretching.
some time doing it, and you want to be consistent. That's one thing we can do during the holiday season is do a little bit every day.
Yeah.
And it forms this a habit of training, which
Right.
is great. And that's what we're doing with our team here at Peloton. It's called Move for Life Team. There's a team together. And
Is
we're
that
doing, we're-
right?
We're doing it called the Holiday Hustle, and it's 20 minutes of movement at cardio every single day for the month of December.
Is that right?
Yeah.
How does one join this team?
It is on the Peloton app.
Okay.
And it's super simple. I'm on there every day.
Can I tell them you sent me?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. You keep doing it. I got to shimmy over here.
You don't want to do more 90-90, babies?
Baby, I'm
Let's
going to
do
do a
some
90.
baby 90s. Come on.
Okay.
All right, what's up?
Follow Peloton. Follow Move for Life podcast. Follow Peloton. Follow
On Instagram and find out more workouts, tips.
all of the things. Thank
Matt
you, Coach.
Wilpers on Instagram.
Yeah.
Follow.